Alright, first order of business is getting this back bumper off. I know you can't see me when I'm doing here, maybe I'll show you, but I need to get the back bumper off. The issue I'm having with doing it without cutting anything is that it's my old arch nemesis trailer hitch on these Thunderbirds. Every one I own had a trailer hitch on it. Anyway, this one is bolted up through the trunk, and the trunk is pretty much gone. So what I'm going to, oh yeah, and there's a bolt in the back I can't get out, but the frame rails back here are virtually gone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Sawzall with a 9-inch blade, and I'm going to cut through the frame rails back here and go around those bolts, and I'm going to grab the frame rails up here. I'll pull some of this away to see if I can get around those bumper brackets. So it's not much holding it, so I don't think it's going to take much. Anyway, so I'll put you on time lapse, and we'll get at her. Sorry I knocked you around there. So let's go on time lapse and see what I can get done. Alright, there she is, guys, right down to the aprons. I need to save these aprons, so I have to take the control arms and everything off now and get the aprons cut out. I'll probably snip along there, I'll probably cut it right down and so I can lift it around. But I want to undo the spot welds on the aprons. I'm not going to cut them out. But that's it. This Thunderbird is officially stripped down. And a lot of it's going to go to the recycle as scrap, and I have a lot of good parts to gather up as well. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse of quickly doing this old Thunderbird. I know it seems like a shame to cut one of these up, but there's absolutely nothing under this Thunderbird holding it together. Completely rusted out. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.